Has your office been affected by a flood that has left the carpets in disarray? Fret not. For you have best carpet cleaning Melbourne around. We are the best name offering office carpet flood cleaning in Melbourne. Our experts will 1. Ensure you do not have to replace the carpets. 2. Eliminate mold and bacteria. 3. Prevent disgusting odors. 4. Make the carpets look fresh and clean as before. So call our office carpet flood cleaners in Melbourne today. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.